Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to export videos from private channels on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've ever wanted to safely download your channel videos and keep them stored on your computer, this method will make the process easy and straightforward. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up your main menu. Next, from the menu, head into Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see several options, but what we're looking for is labeled Advanced. Click on that to move forward. Now, scroll down a little bit until you find the Export Telegram Data section. This is the key feature we'll be using. Once you click on it, you'll see multiple checkboxes with different data types you can export. Since our goal is to export videos from private channels, you'll want to check the box labeled Private Channels. This ensures Telegram only exports the content from your private groups and not everything else. After that, scroll down further to the Media section and make sure you tick the option for videos. This will specifically target and include your video files in the export process. When done, simply click on Export to start the process. Once the export is finished, you'll get a notification letting you know it's complete. At this point, click on Show My Data. Telegram will open a dedicated folder where all the exported information has been neatly stored. Inside that folder, you can easily find the videos that were saved directly from your private channels. This entire method is fast, official, and works seamlessly across the Telegram desktop app. It saves time compared to manually downloading each file one by one and keeps everything organized in one place. And that's it. Now, you know exactly how to export videos from private channels on Telegram using your PC with the latest update. Follow these steps and you'll always have easy access to your videos anytime you need them.